Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous video, we talked about the settings and then we have talked about the shipping too. So that was where we stopped in our last video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add products into your Equid account. Now for us to add a product, we are going to go to catalog. Once you get to catalog, then you can actually add new product. These are the samples of the products we have presently, and you see that we need hijab, not this particular type of hair, but because we chose jewelry the other time, that was why they are showing us this different type of jewelry. So I'm going to tick the one I want to sell, probably the jewelry I would like to sell in this particular video. Let me just choose one because I have the product I want to add as well. So let me just choose those two. So now if you want to add a product, you are going to go to this particular one, click on add new product. Once you click on add new product, then you can now upload the type of product you want to upload. Now let me click on upload. I already downloaded some product I want to upload the other time. So let me click on this one, then let me add again. So let me click on this one, let me still add another product. So let me click on this one. So these are the 3 products I'll be adding for the sake of this video. So you can see the hijab I want to sell. Right now you are now going to put the name of the product there. So you can just put, let me just put anything there. Let me just put hijab for the sake of this video. Let me put hijab. Then if you want to put the SKU, I don't know that one, weight, if you are not selling the product of weight or something. So now here you are going to put the description of your product. Now this description of your product will be the description that your customers will see whenever they want to buy that particular product. So let me just quickly rally around and quickly put the description. You are going to use all this thing to put your description. You can add links in your description. You can also add images in your description. So in this particular video, I'm going to be adding image and I'm going to be adding text. Let me quickly do that and I'll get back to you in a few minutes. Now this is the description of the product the description of my product. Now I've already just bring one description. So let me just include picture in the middle of my description just to make the description looks very okay. So you can just choose from your file and then choose any picture of your choice. So once you choose anyone, we are going to add it to it. So now let's go to our description. Now you can see now pictures in my description. Now that I've added pictures in my description, the next thing I want to add is the price of my product. So now let me now say the price of this product is just 5,000 naira. So that's the price of my product. So once you have done that, I think you are going to go. Just make sure you scroll through. We are done with this particular page now. Now the next thing you want to go to is your attributes. Now this attribute, you can actually put your brand name if you have a brand name, and if you don't have a brand name, you can just leave it the way it is. And let's go to another one, options. Now these options, now for hijab, we have small size, we have big size, we have large size, we have extra large size. So you can actually choose on anyone you want to choose on here. So then you add the product options there in this particular one. So just put the size, drop down the list, and then do how you want to do to it. So that is this one. That is what it's all about here. Now let's go back. So let's just continue with it. Now the next thing we want to use, if you have file, you can actually include your file name and then put it there, but it's optional. So now the next one, option. So let me just cancel this one. We are not using this particular one. So let's move on to shipping and delivery. Automatically we have already enabled our shipping and delivery the other time, so it's already there. So we are just going to scroll through and make sure you change this one to free shipping and remove it from that first one. So now once you have changed this one to free shipping, then you are going to continue. You are going to put your SEO if you want to use this one, but it's not necessary. Everything is already there. Then you click on related product. If you have any related product that you want to add to it, you can just add more product to it. So let me check another related product that I can add. So I've already chosen to the other time. There is nothing important here that I can add. There is nothing important here I can add. So you just go back. Let's go to our buy now. So if you want to buy now, I'm still going back to come back here. So once I'm done, because this buy now button, I'm going to show you how to use that in few minutes. So now once you are done with all these things, then the next thing you need to do, if you have set up everything very well, then you are going to click on save and close. So now that we have done that, now we have already added our products. All your products have already been added here now. So once we are done here now, you need to now go to your products. Once you get to your product, these are your products here. So you can see all the products that I added, and by default the 5 products that they gave me is still there. So now once we are done with all this particular one, now we want to add our product to Google site. So how do you do that one? And for you to add your product all your products for you to add it into your website. Now, the next thing you need to do, if you have added your product, just take your time to add your products one after the other, and then put the price of all your products one after the other. By default, all these prices are there. So let's assume I have a lot of product. I will then remove all this one and then put the one I want to put and set up the price one after the other. So once you are done like this and you have set up all your products, the next thing for you to do is to now go to website. Once you get to your website here, you click on overview. Once you click on overview, we are going to scroll down. We are going to scroll down. We are going to scroll down. If you don't see your custom something, I'm looking for custom. Okay, if it is not here, okay, I'm on marketing. We are going to website. We are going to website. So let's scroll down. This is the website here. So you click on overview. If there is not, it's not here. So let's click on sales channel. It's going to be on sales channel. So we are going to this particular place, custom website. So once you click on this custom website, they are going to generate us a code that we are going to embed in our website. Now, copy code to clipboard. So you can see this particular code now. This is what we are going to copy. This particular code is what we are going to copy. Once you copy this code like this, all our product that is on this particular site, we want to transfer it to our ModestTV account. Now, for us to now go, then we are going to go back to our website now. So let's go back to our website. Now, once you get to our website, we are going to look at it now. This is our website here. We are going to click on this first page. Once you click on this particular first page, you go to insert. Once you get to insert, click on this one. Then you are going to see embed. Click on this embed and then go to embed code. Then you are going to embed the code by pasting that particular code you just copied, and then the magic is going to happen in few minutes. Let's check it out. So once you click on it, then you click on insert. Once you click on insert, all our product is going to appear on this our page, one after the other. Then with the price and everything is going to appear here. So the only thing you need to do is to now spread it very well and then move everything down so that it can contain all your products. So all our product now that it has started appearing on our website. So you can see now these are the products that we have. So you can still scroll down. There are still a lot of product there. You can just scroll down and then start bringing out everything one after the other. So once you scroll down, it's going to bring out everything for you. All those products, it's going to bring them out for you. So let me just, if you want to add space in this particular website, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to see spacer. So once you click on that spacer, it's going to space your website for you so that you can have a long space to do a lot of things on your website. Now, welcome back. You can see now that all the products are now on our website. Look at the first one now. You can see this one that's the name. It's 39 naira. This one is 15 naira. Now look at the other ones. Look at the other ones. Those are the jewelry that we added from that equid.com. Now you can see the hijab that we already added to 5,000. So that is how it's going to look like. You can see my account, tracking order, shopping bag, and others. Now, so you can actually see all the products we have on our website now. Now, this is how all the product is going to look one after the other. So you can even adjust the size of the product depending on what you want to do or depending on how you want it to fit on your particular website. So that is how it's going to look like once you are done. That is not all. Let me show you another thing. If you want to add search bar to your particular products so that people will be able to search your particular product, so you are going to click on this home page again. Then let's go back to equid.com. So once we get back to this equid.com, we are going to scroll down. You are going to scroll down. You are going to scroll down. You can see search product search box. We want to add that one too. So you are going to copy this particular link again. Once you copy all this link, you are going to copy. Once you copy, you go back to your website. So once you get to your website, click on this home page and then go back to insert. You remember what we did the other time? We embed the link. So click on this embed and then click on embed code. Then you paste that particular code again and then you paste it there. Insert it. So once you insert it, you just make it fit too small. Reduce it. So you can see search products. So that is the name. So if anybody is on your website and they want to search for particular products, you can just, let's move it to this particular side. So you can change the name if you want them. If you want to change, you can just put new arrival. You can put anything there. So now once you are done with your website, now the next thing you want to do now is to preview your website and check everything you have done. You can see we are done with the home page, we are done with the search product, we are done with adding new products to all our home page. Now you can see including the product that we already added by ourselves. Then you can see the mission, and you can see the newsletter, you can see the icons here, then you can actually see the down part. Now that you are done, you can actually preview this particular website from your phone and look at the way it looks like and check how we can actually buy, or when somebody wants to buy, to look how it's going to look like. Look, let me preview